Hey y'all, welcome back to the Creators Corner and welcome to episode 5. As y'all can tell in this title, and as you should know if you watched last week's episode, today we're going to be talking about how I would start over as a content creator using TikTok in 2025. Let's get into it. Now, I just want to be honest with y'all. TikTok is still the fastest way to grow as a new creator in 2025, but only if you use it right. Now, TikTok is all about volume and testing. So you want to post often and you want to see what sticks, okay? You got to throw the pancake up and see if it's going to land in the pan. That's how TikTok works. So let's go ahead and dive into it. You have to mix the trends up, okay? I've been experimenting with TikTok and some trends work, some trends flop. And I also test out some of their trends on other platforms. And sometimes I see good things, sometimes I see horrible things. For instance, TikTok, your little dance videos, little quick tutorial trends and challenges, say them for TikTok. And I'm telling y'all that from experience, but I don't know. I also don't know. It just depends on what you're okay with and how you want your channels, your platforms to respond. I did one of these. I'm gonna put it over here on the screen. I hope I still have the video. I'm gonna put it over here on the screen. I'll screen record it. This is the video that I took from TikTok and shared on my YouTube shorts. Yeah, okay, it did great on TikTok, but it did freaking numbers over here on YouTube shorts, but the response wasn't as positive as I was hoping. This video, I believe it got like 150,000 something views. Well, no, my whole channel got 150,000 from that, but this video in particular got about 60,000 something views on my YouTube shorts, which is the highest viewed YouTube short video I have ever created. But the response wasn't all positive. Some people were livid. I don't know if it was the song choice, I don't know if they just don't like the music or what, but they was upset. Like, it was people coming saying like, you should say this for TikTok. YouTube is not TikTok. This is not Instagram. They was not having it. They were upset that this was on their YouTube short algorithm, y'all. They was mad at me about this. People was eating me up in the comments. Like, seriously, if you go view this short on my channel, go through the comments. I didn't respond because there was also some positive and it was people defending me. Like, what are you talking about? She can do what she want. It's her channel. She look good. Blah, blah, blah. Like, they was, you know what I'm saying? Doing a little razzle-dazzle for your girl. Yeah, get in there. But the people, the majority did not like that was on my channel. Or that was on, they popped up in their YouTube algorithm. How about that? But that's what I mean by like mixing trends. Some stuff just has to stay on its own platform. But that video also helped my YouTube channel because I got 50, 60,000 extra views that I did not have. So to each his own. But again, we're on TikTok, so mix trends on your TikTok, but also post original content, y'all. We can't continue to just remake something that we see over and over and over. Like, if somebody make a sound saying something, that doesn't mean you go make it again and say the same thing. I feel like that's not fair. That's not giving the original creator their credit. Just use the freaking sound. That helps too, y'all. You don't have to, everybody ain't got to act like they invented something. That's all I'm trying to say. So don't rely on just the trending sounds on TikTok. Use the sounds, use the popular sounds soon as they come out. Use things that are going to be engaging and also relatable to whatever content you're showing. If you are using a sound, it is okay to reuse other people's original content as well if it makes sense and it's relatable and you feel like it's going to grow. I would rather you reuse their sound than to go and remake their sound. That's not fair to me, y'all. We all in this content journey together. Think of something by yourself. Just think of something else. I don't know what to tell you. So definitely mix things up. Next up, set up your profile for growth on TikTok, okay? I am also going to be changing my TikTok with y'all because, yeah, we need to update that thing. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a clear bio. So who you are and what your viewers are going to get instantly. That need to be at the top of your bio. Like, what's your slogan, what's your tagline, all of those things. So for me, mine is probably going to have something. Originally it had like Black Girl in Her 20s because that is where I was using that series of content on TikTok, but I'm finna change it. By the time y'all see this, it'll be changed, but my new series is now called Halfway Through My 20s because I'm finna be 25. Clock that T, so I'm not just a black girl in her 20s anymore. I'm a young woman halfway through her 20s, out here doing life, child. Yay me. So yeah, make sure that your bio is clear, who you are and what your viewers are instantly going to get. So mine's going to probably say something like halfway through my 20s. Locations, I do realize help. Sometimes they help, sometimes they don't, but I feel like it's better to just have it. I feel like it just helps. So I always put like my area code, like 901, because I'm in Memphis, or I'll just put Memphis, or you could just put Tennessee. You know what I'm saying? Put your little tag so that they know where you're from. People love to see that. It makes them feel like they can know you, or something like that. I don't know, child. And then just put like 3 or 4 little bullet points as it pertains to you and who you are. Next up, in your bio, you want to have your call to action link. So if you got a newsletter, if you got a YouTube, if you got a Linktree, or if you have your own website. I have my own website, so I have stopped using Linktree. On my website, if you do have a website, create a pop-up on your website that mimics Linktree. It's all about the psychology. People like to just see those little clickable links and boop, 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 boop. So I made my website, iamBree-Ze.com. Here it is down below. It should also be in the description. Click that link, iamBree-Ze.com, and wait on the pop-up to pop up. It should pop up pretty quick. It's going to mimic Linktree. It's going to have the social icons. You can click and go follow me on all of those. It's going to have those clickable buttons, all the things. And then third, you want to pin your best 3 videos to the top of your TikTok page. Okay. You can also do this on other platforms, I think, as well. But for TikTok, pin your top 3 videos. So if you got an introduction video, which I recommend recreating your introduction video every so often. I'll probably remake my intro. I make a introduction video of myself probably twice a year, once or twice a year. I'll make a new, hey, this is me, this is who I am, this is what I do. If you ain't never met me, what's up, gang? You know what I'm saying? So for your top 3 YouTube, I would definitely say pin like your intro video, who you are, what they can expect, some type of montage, mini montage, collage, whatever. Anything that is like a viral video that got a nice amount of views, put that up there. And then something that shows proof of value. So like if you teaching them something, or like a series that you have, or something consistent that you're going to be doing, put that up there at the top. The best one, the best quality looking one, the best, you know what I'm saying? The best of the best. Put that up there in your top 3 pins. Next up is you need 3 content buckets. Well, you don't need, but I would say focus on 3 content buckets for your TikTok. Number 1 needs to be based off of your personal lifestyle type of content. So like for me, it's my series, halfway through my 20s. That's my lifestyle. So show your face and tell your story. Boom, 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 boom. All right. And then next up, something that's educational or tips. So like I said, if you do teach like hygiene things to the girls, that is your educational or tip. I'm teaching my people content creation, the creators corner. So that could be one. What else? If you teach tips on cooking or whatever it is, something that you're educating someone, sharing tips, hacks, or tricks on, that needs to be another bucket that you have. And then number 3, I'm showing 4, y'all. Number 3 needs to be anything relatable or entertainment. So that could be trend based. So if you want to do dance videos, if you do like rant videos, or if you do ASMR or whatever, something just fun and entertaining, something lighthearted, fun, relatable, entertaining. So yeah. Oh, and don't forget the creator marketplace. This is where brands are going to find you on TikTok. So that needs to be, I say, everybody's first goal is try your best to build your TikTok platform so you can get in the creator marketplace. So we can get some brand deals, we can get this moolah, and we can continue to grow. Period. All right, you guys. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video on what I would do if I was trying to grow on TikTok in 2025. What I need y'all to do, the next episode, we're going to be talking about Lemonade. If y'all not familiar with Lemonade, the platform that nobody really talks about, but everybody should be talking about, that's going to be in the next episode. So go ahead, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload that video next Monday about Lemonade. Yeah. And that way you can know every time I post a video. Period. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.